Silicone doll production begins in the raw material preparation area, in a clean workshop. Workers wearing yellow overalls drop medical-grade platinum silicone blocks into stainless steel buckets. The silicone needs precise weighing, with each batch at 500 kilograms. The electronic scales display flashes green, controlling errors within 5 grams to ensure consistency in subsequent injection molding. Catalyst addition is a key step. Transparent platinum catalyst drips slowly from a pipette, forming silver swirls in the silicone. With macro shots capturing bubble bursts, the vacuum mixer starts. With massive blades rotating at 60 revolutions per minute, the silicone slurry gradually becomes uniform, changing from milky white to semi-transparent, expelling all air. After defoaming, the slurry is poured into insulated buckets. The temperature is maintained at 25 C to prevent premature curing, and workers use infrared thermometers to check each bucket. The metal skeleton workshop is brightly lit. Stainless steel joints are piled like mountains, with 148 movable joints awaiting assembly. Each skeleton weighing about 15 kilograms, the skeleton is made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. CNC machines cut shoulder joints, sparks flying, with precision up to 0.01 millimeters to ensure natural poses later. Workers tighten screws with torque wrenches. Each joint has preset friction, with knees bending up to 1:0, simulating human range of motion. The skeleton surface is wrapped in EVA foam, with a thickness of 3–5 centimeters. It mimics muscle layers, hand-carved to outline chest and abdominal muscles, enhancing realistic touch. Molds are preheated to 180 C. The massive steel molds have mirror-smooth inner walls, emitting a sizzling sound after applying release agent, ready for silicone injection. The vacuum injection machine starts under high pressure. Silicone slurry surges through pipes into the mold at 150 bar, filling every groove without a single bubble. After mold closure, it times for 15 minutes. The internal silicone cures, with the temperature curve pulsing on the display. Monitored by workers to avoid overheating and deformation, the mold cools to 60 C before opening. Hydraulic arms slowly lift it, revealing a complete silicone torso with a surface as smooth as baby skin. The initial formed torso is transferred to the trimming table. A laser cutter precisely removes overflow silicone, achieving edge smoothness of 0.1 millimeters, with faint sparks flickering. The skeleton docks with the silicone torso. Positioning pins insert into 12 fixed points, with the soft silicone wrapping the metal. Simulating skin-bone connection, secondary injection fills joint gaps. Low-pressure silicone is injected to ensure no hard lumps. With X-ray machines scanning internal uniformity in real time, the skin surface is sprayed with a base layer. An airbrush evenly applies skin tone pigment, gradating from light to dark to mimic human variations. With mist swirling, multiple layers complete 8 rounds of spraying. Humidity is controlled at 45%, with each layer drying for 2 minutes, achieving 90% similarity to human skin depth. Vein textures are hand-drawn. A fine brush dipped in blue pigment lightly traces leg vessel pads, with macro shots capturing the brush tips tremble as realistic veins emerge. Pore textures are embossed with molds. Silicone plates are rolled over the torso, forming 0.2 millimeter deep pits. With touch feeling like real skin roughness, eyeballs are made in a dust-free room. Crystal resin is injected into iris molds, with color patterns laser printed, and pupil diameter precisely at 5.8 millimeters. Eyelashes are hand-implanted one by one. Tweezers hold 0.15 millimeter nylon threads, inserting into reserved holes at a density of 120 per square centimeter. Lips are colored in layers, base with rose red, surface with pearlescent, thickness 0.3 millimeters. Macro showing moist gloss as if just licked. Nails are made from light curing resin, embedded in molds with finger bones, cured under UV light for 30 seconds, with French manicure patterns laser etched. The hair workshop is brightly lit. 300,000 strands of premium human hair are bundled, with workers using implantation guns to insert into scalp holes at 50 strands per minute. Hair implantation angle is strictly 45. Hairlines are hand-adjusted, with forehead slightly curled design. Mirror checked for no stray hairs, resembling real people. The head connects to the torso. The neck has 12 snaps clicking into place, with silicone neck skin seamlessly blending. Rotation tested 360 without wrinkles. The quality inspection room uses X-ray to scan the entire piece. Skeleton position, silicone thickness, and internal bubbles are fully visible. With a 98% green light pass rate, Touch Testing Lab, Pressure sensors press chest and hips, with hardness curves matching data for 20-30-year-old women. Final packaging precedes a shower cleaning. 37°C warm water rinses the whole body, removing dust. With steam diffusing as silicone skin glistens with water droplets, the packaging workshop is constant at 20°C. The doll lies flat in custom foam slots, joints fixed to prevent deformation, foam thickness up to 8 centimeters. Vacuum bags are heat-sealed after alcohol spray. 75% medical alcohol is atomized for disinfection, reducing bag humidity to 30% to prevent mold. Outer boxes have laser-printed serial numbers. Each box has a unique ID traceable to production batches, with QR codes linking to digital warranty cards. Robotic arms stack into storage. 6-axis robots stack 3 boxes per minute, up to 5 layers high, with infrared sensors ensuring alignment error to millimeters. Quality inspection sampling rate is 5%. Random unboxing checks weight 100G, color E10, joint torque qualified, rejected products go to rework area. Local silicone damage is heat melted with repair guns, color matched so repairs are invisible to the naked eye. Waste is environmentally processed. Scrap silicone is shredded and granulated. 100% recycled for re-injection, with particle diameter 3 millimeters. Before shipping, weigh and pack, net weight 28 kilograms, gross 35 kilograms. Electronic scales, auto print logistics labels, container cold chain transport, constant 20C containers, GPS tracking hourly positions, 48 hours direct to Los Angeles port. Global annual production 300,000 units. One comes off the line every 2 minutes. Market size 3.5 billion, growth rate 28% per year. The factory night shift is brightly lit. Midnight 12 o'clock shift change. Workers wear goggles. Injection machines run 24 hours non-stop. Automation rate reaches 85%. AGV carts transport skeletons. Laser-guided pads with error only 3 millimeters. Red lights avoid pedestrians. Energy consumption monitoring screen pulses in real time. Hourly power use 1,000 to 100 kWh. Solar roof contributes 35%. Green energy labels flash. Employee cafeteria supplies 3 meals, under fluorescent lights. Steaming beef noodles. Workers remove caps, brief 10-minute rest. Safety training weekly. VR glasses simulate injection accidents. Workers practice emergency shutdown. Red button responds in 1 second. Fire suppression system covers all. Overhead sprinklers every 2 meters. Heat sensitive at 85°C auto start. Annual drill records archived. RD room tests new materials. Liquid silicone stretches to 300%. Rebound rate 99%. Curve graph compares old models with 15% improvement. 3D scans real people for modeling. Volunteers lie on scanning beds. Laser grids cover the body, generating 1-to-1 digital skeleton data. AI algorithms optimize joint mechanics, simulate 1,000 poses. Knee peak force down to 45 N. Durability doubled. Before export, cultural adaptation. European versions widen eye distance by 2 millimeters. Japanese Korean versions reduce lip thickness by 0.1 millimeter. Mold library stores 200 face types. Supply chain management center screen scrolls. Silicone air freighted from Germany's Wacker Chemicals. 48 hours to factory. Inventory turnover.